Today on Dive Vibe, watch me simp over tank bands. Welcome to Doing Stuff with Zach.
Doing stuff with Zach.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the first ever official Dive Vibe unboxing. I have a package here. I've never done an unboxing before, but people seem to like them, so we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna unbox packages from now on camera and just upload it as a separate video from my review videos, and we're gonna give that a try for a while and see if people like it. So let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. And then I'll decide whether or not I care. All right. So from Germany, export Germany. This package is from a company I've not worked with before, and that's pretty exciting. Let's just open it. It's coming from Germany. Where do you guys think it's from? Germany. What dive gear comes from Germany? It's gonna be dive gear. I'll give you that. It's dive gear. By the way, I feel like everybody's supposed to have like a special unboxing knife. This is my special unboxing knife. It's a Benchmade, and it has my nickname from the dive shop on it, Zilla, or Zia, if you're one of my Hispanic coworkers. Zia. They call me that. There were 3 Zachs working at our shop at once, so they ended up calling me Zachzilla. Some of y'all know that. The people that have dove with me before probably already know that. Anyway, I'm gonna get this top-down camera going. Woo. Big business now. And we got the top-down camera. So. Alright, cool. Well, anyway, I got my unboxing knife, and we're gonna split this bad boy open. I feel like I need to get a bigger one. I should get one of those insanely huge old dive knives. If anybody's got one laying around, and you want to see your old dive knife that's completely useless for diving on a show on YouTube with some asshole that opens up stuff and then talks about it, I'm the asshole. Okay. Ooh. By the way, we're doing this kind of live. Probably not not a lot of cuts in this video, so if you hear my dogs bark, normally I try to not talk when that stuff is happening. So, sorry. Oh, some of this stuff I don't know if I'm ready to talk about yet, because this one right here might be for another video. Let's just move that out of the way. Because this is going to be fun, because there's some, this is exciting. There's some surprises in here. Some stuff that kind of ties in with some, I shouldn't talk too much, but there's going to be some cool merch coming. Let's just say that. All right, so the astute amongst you have probably already noticed, and obviously I didn't open this up, I just cut it open on camera, that this is from D Luxe Divers. So D Luxe Divers makes all kinds of cool stuff. They're out of Germany. They make tank straps and stuff like that, and they make some of the nicest tank straps I've ever seen, and I've never used them before, so I'm really excited about this. I'll talk more about my experience with working with Deluxe, like for this video, during the review video, but let's just say for now, very impressive. Very impressive. So if you watch this and you're like, I gotta get me some, I don't want to wait for his review video, you go right ahead, buddy. You go right ahead. So, man, they hooked it up. So I'm not gonna talk about that. That's actually not even for me. That's for, I'm just gonna call him my camera guy. He's not really my camera guy, but helps out with the videos. Oh, God. These things are so serious. I don't know how, I probably can't even say that word. There's an addressing for injuries. I don't know how many of you guys actually know this, but I was a combat medic before I was a dive instructor. So this is very similar to the emergency trauma bandage, which has a different name in the Army that could be construed as offensive, so I'm just going to leave it out. But anyway, it feels a lot like that, which is also very similar to the dive rite tank bands. They're very similar. And if you're going to copy something that the military paid millions of dollars to have designed, you know? But anyway, this is just super stiff. One thing I'm really interested to find out, and what we'll look at in the review video, is how long these things actually last, because I'm going to try to torture test these for a while. But, so they've sent these absolutely to my spec, which is sick. I originally told them, just surprise me. Send me whatever you want. And they were like, you know, it's a German company, and I love this. They're just like, no, pick it all. Pick everything. I'm like, okay. So just right off the bat, the fit and finish on these is so cool. Look at that. So it's got this acronym right here that I'll explain another time, and my cool little Nautilus logo. Oh, that's so sick. I'm really excited about this. So it looks like they sent, oh man, a ton of bands for 80s and 40s. The secret stuff over there that we're not going to talk about. Man, these are, you really, when you look at them online, you can't see how freaking sturdy these things are. These are not playing around, man. I'm excited because my students are always asking me, what tank straps should I buy? And for the longest time, I've been making my own with like little 3D printed parts and elastic. And, you know, I've always liked the rubber bands, but they're just great for keeping your hoses in place. They don't really allow you to remove and restow your hoses easily underwater. But, you know, you're not often needing to do that, so it's better for them to stay in place. I think these are going to solve the problem. Be easy to work with, and easy to stow, which is cool. And this is the Evo model, so instead of having the thumb grip up top like they normally do, the thumb grip is just on the body of the band, and I think I'll like that better. So we got those for the 80s. And I haven't seen yet, they actually differentiate between like 80s and 72s, like aluminum 72s, which I do use sometimes. My Trimix tanks, Trimix bailouts are 72s just because that's what I had. So we'll see, will this fit on both? We're gonna find out. But they'll definitely fit on my 80s because that's what they're designed for. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. But if you're using aluminum 72s, they give you that option. So there's a bunch of different options. And then here's the one for the 40s. I like that. And then this, I've actually had something similar to this before. Move my cameras around. Sorry, I'm still kind of getting used to this setup. I'm sure I'm not doing the right thing with this camera. And my rig for the camera is kind of like, I need a top-down tripod. And Mom was like, we have top-down tripod at home. So I kind of had to make my own thing. If you're not familiar with that meme, I'm not actually talking about my mom. It's just a meme. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hell yeah. Is this a wristband? Absolutely. Let's do it. Once again, I'm too big for everything. It's kind of cutting off my circulation, but I love this. This is like the Live Strong bands, but it says stronger. I love it. I'm going to actually probably try to find something to use this for, like wrap something up, but that's nice touch. Thank you. And they've sent a sticker. Gotta love a sticker. There we go. Love a sticker. Beautiful. This will go on the surfboard. I don't know if anybody really notices, but like my surfboard back there, you can send me stickers and I'll put it on the surfboard, and then eventually your stickers will get featured in a video by proxy. Because that surfboard is featured in a lot of videos. Oh my goodness, another sticker! That's beautiful. That's actually a great logo. I love it. I don't like anything too serious. I like my logos and stickers to be similar to kind of like, you know, like the P-51 Mustangs in World War II and stuff like that. They had the shark teeth on the side. I love that. I love that little bit of silliness. Don't tell everybody that Zach loves World War II. Not a big fan of war. Oh, this is sick. So I've had one. I got distracted. I've had something like this before where I had my name on it. But this is meant to go on your BCD shoulder strap, and I just, so it's gonna sit like right here. And man, I thought these things were like kind of cheesy, but now that I can have like a logo and special acronym that we're not talking about yet, but man, that's so cool looking. I'm very excited about that. I am going to have to buy these for everybody else involved in the project. You thought I was going to slip up, didn't you? Thought I was going to tell you what the acronym means. I'm not. Have to wait for the next video. Okay. Well, That's all that's in the box. That is exactly what I thought was going to be in the box, and a little bit extra, so that's great. I am ecstatic with this stuff, and I can't wait to use it. Obviously, I can't provide any kind of review right now because I haven't used them, but holy heck, man, that's so cool. This is nice, because I was really working on my own design, and I had a pretty good design, but I think this is better. My design was probably reaching too far in the wrong direction, and I was gonna, you know, experience limitations and stuff from trying to do something weird. Anyway, my brain's weird, in case you guys haven't figured that out. I think of weird stuff. But I think that's about it. So, what do you guys want me to find out in this review video? Is there anything in particular that you want me to look at to figure out if these are a good purchase for you? So post the questions down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer every single one of them in the review video. And with that all being said, I'd just like to take a quick second to thank Dive Vibe supporters on Patreon. I am not being paid by D Luxe Dive Gear to review this gear. They sent me this stuff free of charge, which is great, always nice. But all these cameras and all this other stuff was not free of charge. So the people that support Dive Vibe are greatly appreciated. That's on Dive Vibe's Patreon, patreon.com/divevibe. There's a link in the pinned comment below or the description. If you'd like to support Dive Vibe, get access to some extra content, and see your name at the end of every video in the credits, then you can follow that link and support Dive Vibe. It would be much appreciated. But if you don't, I still love you, and thanks for watching my videos. Oh, and make sure you subscribe so you actually get notified when the review video comes out. Thanks for diving with me today, and I'll see you in the water. Bye, everybody.